How to fix Minecraft CurseForge Exit Code 1. Now, if you're encountering this kind of error message while playing the Minecraft game, I'm going to be showing you two specific troubleshooting steps for you to bypass this kind of issue. But first, we have to fully understand this specific error code. Now, this is actually telling us that the JavaScript that we are trying to use on Minecraft is actually outdated, and then, of course, your operating system. First, just go into your Windows icon and type in Windows Update. And then from here, choose on check for updates. This is just to make sure that the current operating system that you're using is updated to its latest version because the JavaScript will be included in that pack. If not, you'll have to open up any preferred web browser that you can use on your end, but on this video, I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Now into the Java's official site, which is going to be the java.com. And then from here, choose on download Java for desktops. Now click this option here that says download Java for desktops, and once you've completed it, this is going to be the file. Now simply install the file as usual, and once installation is completed, go back into the Windows icon, access your control panel, and then change the view by into large icons and choose on Java. Now from here, choose on update and click on update now, hit on apply and then hit on OK. And that's basically it. That's how you fix Minecraft CurseForge Exit Code 1.